Today we have a special guest. My best friend, Alex.
Hey, True!
Dad's being cuckoo again. As all of the videos. He's another cuckoo also.
The Riley and Dada Show! Let me have this, please.
Plus
Thank you.
Alex.
What's up, guys? It's Sunday, so what's that mean? Go Niners! Right, Alex? Hey, man, we can put our sweets in a smile. Smile.
I am.
Look, right there. We'll put your sweet right there. Show them.
He lost his tooth. 2 of them.
All right, guys. So today,
I thought
Riley
you
and Mama
lost
Boots found this special box at where?
WorldMarket.
Shout out to WorldMarket, everybody.
Woo-hoo!
All right. This is Hello Kitty and Friends Mystery Snack Box.
My favorite
What do you think's
character
in
from
here?
there, Froggy. Probably Noodles.
Oh,
It's a mystery, duh.
mystery snack box.
Jeez, you guys are psychos, man.
What?
Cut the camera! Cut the camera!
No.
What's in here?
I don't know. Let's find out.
No.
Okay, let's let the people at home see it first.
Close your eyes. Oh. Riley just had seen
Look at that, guys. Holy Toledo. Let's see.
Okay, we're doing this one first.
Okay.
We're gonna try to do all of them.
Let's see. Hold on.
Oh,
All
it
right.
looks so good.
This is
time we don't
Marshmallow Sona Banana Man.
Since we're not family members, well, me and Dad is, but we aren't. So we're gonna split a piece for him,
Yep.
a piece for our mom,
First thing,
a
guys.
piece for my dad, and a piece for me.
Wait, are
First
we
one,
gonna
guys,
read it?
is the Marshmallow
Yeah.
Yoking Sona Banana Man.
So now,
There's oh, Riley, you can't have it, babe.
what?
It says only to be eaten by dads.
No, it doesn't.
Sorry, bro.
He's always
Sorry.
like that, huh, guys?
No, I'm
He's
not.
like, oh, this is made out of almonds, and only almonds. Oh, sorry, Riley, you can't have it. Huh, guys?
First piece. I'll let the kids do it first, I guess. Break your piece first.
Oh,
Break it. Break your piece, Alex.
I feel like I had some before.
Eat it together at the same time,
oh, it
guys.
smells good.
All right. On the marks.
Get
Get
set,
set.
go.
Go. Mmm. Interesting.
good.
It's pretty good, huh?
It has chocolate.
I like this one.
This is pretty good.
Wow.
Okay, I know what we're doing next.
This one has to go out. Courtesy one to Mama. Banana marshmallow with chocolate. Very good.
Yeah. We already decided which one we're doing next.
Okay. Oh my gosh, what are those?
They're like those little cookies that Mom has. Look, Mom.
Let's see.
Can't open that bag.
Yes, we can.
You'll cut open
All
your
right, guys.
coffee.
This one is
We'll do it on the bottom.
Kawaii cookies.
Kawaii.
Oh my gosh, guys. These are from 1988. What if we want to eat this? We're going to get sick.
I do. No, it was made in 1988. Like, wait, let me get the...
Hey, you guys.
What?
Only to be eaten by dads.
No, it isn't.
Again.
Guys, he's always like...
Hey, don't be
I got
grabbing.
the scissors.
Don't be grabbing. Move those scissors, young lady. Kids, those of you who are watching, you do not hold scissors like that, okay? Let that be a
I'm
lesson.
holding it like this, though.
All right, guys, these are
Okay,
cookies.
hold it.
Potato cookies? Disgusting.
Ooh.
All right,
Oh, okay.
let's try it.
Okay, thank God. Bottom.
You guys first. Ooh, this is going to be a 5-minute movie, guys, because the Niners are back on.
Oh.
Oh, I can still watch it.
We didn't do Ready, Set, Go.
Oh,
Okay.
on the marks. Get set.
Go.
Hey, Elliot. Who's eating it?
Yes, sir.
Our
Go.
dog was eating. It tastes like corn.
It's
Not bad.
good. It's good, but it's not like
Great.
great.
Yeah.
Let's do this one next.
It kind of tastes like what's it called? Like
Like dry cereal with,
dry
like,
cereal.
Everyone, like, it looks like honey.
I don't know. Let's put that one down.
Everyone, for this one, we have to sing Baby Shark until the... No, wait. Okay. Wait.
Is this guy?
Baby shark, do 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 do, baby, do it. We have to do the thing. Baby
Shark, do, do.
Yes! First down!
Yes! 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 Woo! Niners first down!
All right, guys. Hold on. Stop grabbing, young lady.
Baby shark, do, 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 do.
Baby shark. Bye.
Baby shark, do, 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 do. Baby shark, do, 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 do.
Oh, we got to open it before you eat it, huh? Okay.
He was all like this.
Wait, is it
This is a
big?
chocolate cracker.
A chocolate cracker?
Yeah, it's a chocolate cracker, is all it says.
Here.
Huh. Yeah, Riley, obviously, guys, is a little excited. Need to bring it down a notch. Okay. Those who've been watching us for a while know that we have rules how we open stuff. And Riley likes to jump the gun. Got to make sure she's not going to eat something she's allergic to. Oh, this one comes in an exciting little tray. Look at that, guys.
Oh, wow.
Look at that. Look at that.
I kind of don't want to eat it.
Why?
Okay, guys,
It's
get your
so
piece first.
This is my piece. Okay. Oops.
So look, don't hold the whole thing, right?
Cut it in half.
This might take a while.
Okay, you'll have the tail.
I'll eat this piece.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Wait, look at the inside.
I know it's chocolate.
It kind of.
It's chocolate, right, guys? It's chocolate. On the marks.
Get
Get
set,
set,
go.
That's very good.
As always, guys, I'm saving a piece
Mm.
on the stuff that are so good.
Not bad.
They're pretty good.
This is my favorite so far.
My favorite was the marshmallows.
That's good, guys.
Not marshmallows.
Remember this.
Look.
Okay.
Wait, what's this?
Wait, look.
Let's do this one
Three
next.
C,
Okay.
3C.
This one all
We've
of
done
it.
3, guys. We're gonna do one more. Hold on,
No.
hold on.
We're gonna do the
We're gonna
whole
do
box.
one more.
The whole box.
We are not doing the whole box, okay, guys? We're doing one more, and then there's way too much stuff in here, Muffin. Way too much stuff. And look, we're already at 7 minutes.
We'll do 2 videos.
Time out, guys.
You need to see this.
Oh!
Perfect.
Oh, okay. All right, guys. This is the last one. Hello Kitty strawberry candy.
Oh, I wanted to try that one today.
Which one?
Those 2.
Well, then pick one. Pick one. And that's what we're
Let's
doing
just
next.
do that one.
Okay.
Can we do those
All right.
2 after because
Okay.
they're so small?
Hello Kitty. Here
Hey.
it goes.
Ellie socks.
Yeah! Touchdown!
Let's go!
Yes! Give me some. Give me some.
Niners.
No, that's his first. Debo Samuel. All right, guys. Ooh, these are stinky.
Let me smell.
Hold on.
Ooh. I'll grab this one.
Those look weird.
They
Okay.
look like ramen.
All right, guys. This is our last one for this game because we're gonna watch some football.
Oh, I thought we were going
Let's
to
go.
do those 2. They taste like
They don't really
marshmallow.
taste like anything.
They taste like marshmallow.
These are good. Mmm.
Pretty good.
I like this.
Wait, are we gonna read them?
Okay. Last one.
Wait.
Last one. Already picked it.
I'm going to take a bite of this because it was like this.
And then you gotta clean this table up. Okay, guys. Here we go for the final one for this evening. This is the Candy Yukon Long Chew Cider.
What?
Wow. I don't know. Let's see. Where are the warnings?
Elliot. Socks. Socky the poo.
Okay, let's see. Here it goes.
Okay. Sometimes this is kind of dangerous. Huh.
Okay, get your piece. Alex, get your piece, buddy.
These kind of look like Twizzlers.
Last one. Here it goes, guys. Everyone's open up your tubs.
So,
Oh, dude.
guys, next
This is today's winner, guys.
next Sunday, we're gonna do.
What is this?
Next Sunday, we're gonna do the
All
food box because we're probably gonna be snacking on those.
Okay, guys.
So
Appreciate you. Remember, shout out to WorldMarket. Hello Kitty and Friends Mystery Snack Box.
And please
Our
subscribe.
man, A True, my muffin. Love you guys. Go Niners!